time for our daily holiday this morning, air conditioning appreciation days. I mean, we can all appreciate the AC.
Oh yes, yeah, especially the past couple of days.
Oh yeah, it runs during the so-called dog days of summer, typically from July 3rd until August 15th. It's all about appreciating the benefit of air conditioning. We have some cool facts about AC for you today.
Okay.
These come from different heating and air conditioning companies, just an FYI. So, the first time air conditioning was used to cool a room in a home was in the late 1800s. And now look how far they've come.
Yes.
There had to be a false wall put in to hide most of the machinery that was needed. Second one, if you bought a window AC unit in the 1940s, you would spend about $350. That's equivalent to about $3,500 today. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that seems pricey back then, so.
Wow, that's insane. And the first fully air-conditioned home was built by the heir to a barbed wire fortune. That seems odd. In 1913 in Minnesota, though.
Hey, going from barbed wire to air conditioning, I mean, it seems like a natural
That's
transition,
logical.
don't you think?
Oh yeah, no problem. And 60% of America's economic growth since 1960 can be attributed to air conditioning, making it possible to live and work year-round in the heat and humidity of the southern and western states.
Yeah.
So, you know, we enjoy it here in Wisconsin, but consider Arizona, like,
Oh yeah,
my
like
gosh,
if you lived
Florida.
in Phoenix or something, yeah.
Wow.
And it's one of those things where I don't know how much you appreciate it until you don't have it. Because I'll never forget, my wife and I were renting a place years ago, and it didn't have air conditioning. We had one of our hotter summers, and my goodness, it was just crazy to deal with. And then we had air conditioning put in, and then makes life
It was like
a lot
unbearable.
better,
I'm sure
it?
there were a lot of fights over
yeah.
that, and then once you got it, it was like, oh, okay.
Oh yes, yeah.
All right, well,